You're looking at a video to help explain Excel. Now, a lot of people think this is going to be complex, but really, it's really easy to do, especially in this lesson. You'll notice up here we have some commands, some icons, but let's not look at those just yet. Here we have some rows. We have row 1, 2, 3, all the way down to 19. Can you have more? Sure you can, but we're only going to look at 19. Here we have column A, B, and C. We have more columns, but we are only going to look at columns A, B, and C. Now you'll notice that in this cell, which we'll call it, this is cell A1, because that's where it's located, this is simple addition. In cell B1, what we like to have you do simply is click inside here and just type in your name. You'll notice I clicked inside there and I typed in Penny Smith. You type in your name. In cell A3, we have the word question. In cell B3, we have answer. And in cell C3, we have check it. So, what this is going to tell us to do is simply, here's the question. This question is relatively simple. It's 2 plus 1. And we put several questions in here. However, you can modify these as best you can. But let's first look and see how this works. Okay, so we have 2 plus 1. Now, if we wanted to change it, we just simply click inside here and change that question. Over here is the answer. Over here, 2 plus 1, I'm going to click inside, and the answer is 3. I'm going to hit my Enter key, and you'll notice that this turned green. Why is that? Well, I'm going to double click in this column, cell C4, and when I do that, it says equal sign. If B4 equals 3, if the answer is equal to 3, it jumps over here and says great job. If you have the wrong answer, it says try again. And this is true all the way down. Let me show you what I mean. Here we have 2 plus 2 equals, and the answer should be 4. I'm going to click inside here, and this is cell B5. So I click in here, and it says if cell B5 is equal to 4, great job. If not, try again. Let's see how that works. Okay, so we know the answer is 4, right? So I'm going to type in 8, and I hit my Enter key. Oh, it's not equal to 4, so we have to do it over again. So now I'm going to hit my backspace and type in the number 4. Great job. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Great job. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Great job. So you can see you can change all these. Now this one says 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, right? But I'm going to click inside here and I'm going to say 4 plus 3. Now you know 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. However, this is cell B8, right? Because here's column B, and we are in row 8. I'm going to click inside here, and it says if B8 is equal to 5, great job. Well, we know we just changed it, so it must be equal to, hit my backspace, 7. Now, if I type in 5, it's an error. However, since I changed the answer, if I type in 7, great job. So you can modify these however you want. Oh, here it is again. This one is 7. Great job. Hopefully that makes sense. So what you can do is go through this and learn addition. However, this is what's really neat. You can also go back through here and change these questions. And when you do that, simply with your name here, come up here at the top where it says print. And we can just simply click on that and print this out with your name. So you can make your own problems. Now remember, if you change these, you also have to change the equation inside. For example, let's jump down to this one. I'm going to click in here, and I'm looking at 8 plus 2. Okay, 8 plus 2, the answer to that is 10. And I hit my Enter key. Okay, But if we want to change this, we could say 10 plus 5, and we know that answer is equal to 15, right? However, whatever we make this equal to here, we have to also change in here. So this is row 17, and we are in cell B. So B17. I'm going to click in here, and when I do that, we say, is B17 equal to 10? No, it should be equal to 15, and hit our enter key. So when I change this, I'm going to change the number to 15, our answer, and hit our enter key. Great job. So it's going to take you a while to do these, but you can see this is fun to do. And remember, when you're done, just simply print this out and hand it in to your teacher. And that means you are going to learn addition or anything else rather quickly and have fun doing so. And I'm going to show you another video in a second where we can make this not only addition, but we can also make it subtraction.